Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Sony Xperia Mark V. This is a compact flagship phone that was released in 2023. It has a lot of great features including a powerful processor, a stunning display and a very versatile camera setup. The Xperia Mark V has a sleek and stylish design. It's made of high quality materials including metal and glass, and it feels very premium in the hand. The phone is also IP68 water resistant, so you don't have to worry about it getting wet. The Xperia 5 Mark V has a 6.1-inch OLED display with resolution of 1080 pixels. The display is very sharp and vibrant, and it's great for watching videos or playing games. It also has a 120 Hz refresh rate, which makes it smooth and responsive. The Xperia 5 Mark V is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 801 processor. This is one of the most powerful processors on the market, and it ensures that the phone can handle even the most demanding tasks. The phone has also 8GB of RAM and 128GB of storage. The Xperia 5 Mark V has a triple lens rear camera system. The main lens is a 52 megapixel sensor, and it takes great photos in a variety of lighting conditions. The phone has also a 12 megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 12 megapixel telephoto lens. The front-facing camera is 8 megapixel, and it also great for taking selfies or a video chat. This phone has a 4500 mAh battery. So this is a large battery and it covers all the battery life. The phone also supports fast charging, so you can quickly top it up when you need to. The Xperia 5 Mark V runs Android 13. This is the latest Android version, and it comes with a variety of new features and improvements. The phone also has a custom user interface from Sony that can add some extra features and customization options. The Xperia 5 Mark V is a great phone for people who are looking for a powerful and compact flagship device. It has a great display, a versatile camera system, and a long battery life. However, it is expensive and it lacks expandable storage and a headphone jack. Overall, I would recommend the Sony Xperia 5 Mark V to people who are looking for a premium compact phone with great performance and a versatile camera system. It is also a great choice for the people who want a phone that is easy to carry around and use with one hand.